Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the LeetCode question average salary excluding the minimum and the maximum salary. You are given an array of unique integers salary where salary I is a salary of I's employee. Return the average salary of employees excluding the minimum and the maximum salary. Answers within 10 to the power of -5 of the actual answer will be accepted. So let's see the example. So you are given 4,000, 3,000, 1,000 and 2,000. Output should be 2,500 because so we have to exclude maximum salary and minimum salary. So that means we have to exclude 4,000 and 1,000. So total salary should be 5,000 and we should divide 2. So that's why our output should be 2,500 in this case. Before I start my explanation, so let me introduce my channel. So I create a lot of videos to prepare for technical interviews. I explain all details of all questions in the video, and you can get the code from GitHub for free. So please subscribe my channel, hit the like button, or leave a comment. Thank you for your support. Okay, so let me explain with this example. And I think this is a very easy question. So I think there are a lot of way to solve this question. So one is like a sort input array and exclude first number and the last number. So, but that solution should be order of n log n because we sorted input array. So another solution should be like take a max number from input array and a minimum number from input array, and then iterate through one by one, and then we get a total except the minimum number and the maximum number, and then calculate. So, but I think that solution should be order of n, but more precisely like a 3n. We need like a 3 loops, right? And so that's why I think about the solution with one loop. And here is my idea. And we use min variables and the max variables. Initialize with first number 4,000. So let me so it's a waste of time. So just let me write like a 4 and 4. That means 4,000. Okay, and we use two more variables. Total is a total salary or except minimum salary and the maximum salary. So initialize with 0, and C is a count. So it's like a how many salary we add to total. So initialize with 0, and then we iterate through all number one by one. Let's begin. So first number is 4,000. So if 4,000 is less than minimum number, update minimum number, but minimum number is now 4,000. So we skip and compare with max number. So max number is now 4,000. So they are same. In that case, yeah, we don't update max number. So after that, add 4,000 to total. So now 4,000, and then count plus 1, right? Because we add 4,000 to total. So total number should be 1. And then move next. We find 3,000 and compare with minimum number. So current number is less than minimum number. In that case, update minimum number with current number, 3,000. So let me write down 3. And yeah, definitely max number is greater than current number, so we skip here. And then add 3,000 to total. So total 7. That means 7,000. And count is 2, right? And then move next. We find 1,000 and check with minimum number. So 1,000 is less than 3,000, right? So update minimum number to 1,000. And then, yeah, we skip a max number, right? 4,000 versus 1,000, and add 1,000 to total. So total is now 8, and count number should be now 3. And then we find 2,000. So current number is greater than minimum number, so we don't update minimum number. And how about the max number? Max number is 4,000, and the current number is 2,000, so we don't update any max number. So just add 2,000 to total. So total should be 10,000, and the count is 4, right? And then we finish iteration, and after that, we so we should do the like a easy calculation, and we have to exclude minimum number and the maximum number. So total is now 10,000 minus, so minimum number is 1,000, 1,000 minus maximum number should be 4,000 and 4,000, and then divide. So total count is 4, but we have to exclude two numbers, like a minimum number and a maximum number, so that's why minus 2. So let me calculate this, and 5 divide 2. So 5,000 divided 2. So that's why we get 2,500 in this case. Yeah, so that is my idea to solve this question with like a one loop. So with that being said, let's get into the code. Okay, so let's write the code. First of all, initialize min, let's say salary, and equal max salary. So initialize with salary and first salary, so 0. And we need total equal count equal 0. And start looping for salary in salary. And first of all, check with minimum salary. So if current salary is less than minimum salary, in that case, update minimum salary with current salary. Else if current salary is greater than max salary, in that case, update max salary with current salary. And every time we add current salary to total, so total plus equal s, and always count plus 1. And then after that, return. So we need a simple calculation. So total minus minimum salary minus max salary, and so we have to return like a float. So divide, so single divide, and count minus 2, right? So we have to exclude the minimum number and the maximum number, so we need minus 2. Yeah, so in Python, if you want to return like a float, I think like a single slash, and if we use like a double slash, that should be like an integer. Yeah, so let me submit it. Yeah, looks good, but beat 5%. So yeah, so let me know in the comment below if you beat like 80% or 90%. So time complexity of this solution should be order of n, because we use a single loop and access each number one by one. And space complexity is O1, because we don't use extra data structure, just a minimum salary, maximum salary, and the total count, just a simple variable. So that's why space complexity should be order of 1. Yeah, so that's all I have for you today. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, or leave a comment. I'll see you in the next question.